Hello everyone, it is Lachey. I am back with another video and we will be making this Lori Whitlock pillow box with a handle today. I've already pre-printed my paper. I made this out of cardstock and I can't remember what I used the die to make these bows. I will link it in the description box. We'll be embellishing today, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So of course I've already pre-printed my paper. Nowadays designer theme parties are really big, so I decided to do something that was relevant to that. And we'll also be making a pillow box, and of course I use a Jenna Long pillow box die. We will get right into the video and I will link the things that I used in the description box below. So I cut this with my silhouette. I just went online and found some Chanel logos and printed it out. This will be the back of the box and this will be the front. I turned the paper upside down, but I don't know that it matters. These pillow boxes are not as easy as they look to put together, so we're going to do this really slowly because I want it to come out nice. So there are perforated lines. I don't know if you all can see that. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but the lines, you're going to fold on the line. This part is easy, so I used the combination of glue and tape. My tape runner and my glue box. I think this is Eileen's tacky glue that I just put in a little nozzle, thing that has a pointy nozzle on it, because the glue comes out better that way. I find I can craft more efficiently with that. I do a lot of crafting. So I am having a birthday party, and my sister-in-law is going to make me a Chanel cake. She's a bad sister. I love her work. So with that being said, I wanted to give these gift boxes away. And side note, I bought these from Joann Fabrics maybe like last year. These are pins. They are so cute, so I figured I could put these in the box with some candy and give those away. Okay, so you're gonna lay your box flat, and what you're gonna do is take some, actually let me do this first. This helps it give a little stick to it. I'm gonna do that first. Tape runner. And then you're going to go around the outside of it, the outline of the flaps. Go around the outline of the flap with glue. And of course, this is going to be the front of our box. So with that being said, you want to take these tabs and glue them here. So the front tabs are on the outside. You will see what I'm talking about when I'm done. So I want to take my bone fold and go inside the box and just give it a little press. And I use my finger. See, it pops. These boxes really don't want to stay put together, so you've got to put a little craft muscle behind it to make them stick. Once they are stuck, they're stuck. Once you get it going, it'll stay put. It really will. So we're gonna get this side too. And these take some doing, guys. It really does take some doing to get these boxes to act right, to get them to do what you want them to do. But like I said, once you've got it, you've got it. So I'm getting my fingers a little sticky. So we want to press that in, make sure that's good. Then I got something on the box there. We'll fix that later. And your box is complete as far as the assembly goes. Now, there are a few different ways you can embellish the front of this. You can use a hole punch. Oh, I dropped my rhinestones. You can use a hole punch to punch holes and put thank you ribbon. You can use ribbon, or like I did, I just used a paper ribbon to embellish. It doesn't matter. My party theme is going to be, my party is going to be red and black. I'm just going to put some more glue on this, guys. This sucker really doesn't want to stay closed, but we will not back down. You're going to close. We are not backing down. You will close. I don't like how this project is, how the glue is looking, and it's getting all over my hands. So let's just wrap this one up and go on to the next one. I do want to put some tape here so we can close it. The side is just not wanting to close today. It would do that when my battery is low. At least we have this one. Again, this is a Lori Whitlock's SVG file. And the box really does come out nice when you can get it to stick. So I have a pillow box as well, because I wasn't sure what I wanted to use as my giveaway. So I figured I could do a couple of different things. And I always use my tape runner when I'm doing my pillow boxes. So I'm going to show you an easy way to put the pillow box together. This is a simple pillow box. So this is a pillow box with the handle, and this is just a regular pillow box. So you're going to fold the sides in like so. Fold that in, and then you're going to line them up with the top flaps together like this, and you're going to press down. I take my bone fold and press in on these. Give it a nice press, and that came out lovely. I'm not sure what setting my printer was on, but I don't like the way that the paper came out a little, the ink was a little runny. So we are going to put something cute on the front of this box. Oh, that is cute. Yes, we like it. I'm here for that. That's cute. So we're going to take our glue gun, our handy dandy glue gun, and these will be parting gifts for the party goers. So there you have it. I love this project. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get the editing together, and you know, I'm filming these by myself. I am tech savvy.